Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about file-based system. What is file system? File system is a collection of data. File system is a collection of data. In this system, the user has to write the procedures for managing the database. In this system, the user has to write the procedures for managing the database. File system provides the detail. File system provides the detail of the data representation and storage of data. The systems that are used to organize and maintain data files are known as file-based system. Repeat. The systems that are used to organize and maintain data files are known as file-based data systems. These file systems are used to handle a single or multiple files and are not very efficient. File system doesn't have a crash mechanism. That is, if the system crashes while entering some data, then the content of the file will lost. Then the content of the content of the file will lost. File systems is the traditional way to keep your data organized in a way which is easy for physical access, whether it's on your shelf or on the drives. Where it is, file systems is the traditional way to keep your data organized in a way which is easy for physical access, which is access very easily. File system actually stores data in the form of isolated files which have their own set of property table and physical location on the drive, and user manually goes to these locations to access the files. It is an easy way to store data in general files like images, text, videos, audios, etc. But security is less because only options available to these files are the options given by the operating system, such as locks, hidden files, and sharing these files are hard to maintain when it comes to frequent changes these files to these files. This is about file-based system. File-based system. File system is a collection of data. File system is a collection of data. In this, the user has to write the procedures for managing the database. These are my points. Next, drawbacks of file-based system. Number one is data redundancy, data inconsistency, difficulty in accessing data, limited data sharing, integrity problems, atomicity problems, concurrent access anomalies, security problems. These are the drawbacks of file-based system. Drawbacks of file-based system. In data redundancy, it is possible that the same information may be duplicated in different files. Data redundancy means the same information may be duplicated repeated times in different files. This leads to data redundancy, results in memory wastage. Whenever the duplication of data available, the memory is wasted. Data inconsistency. Because of data redundancy, it is possible that data may not be in consistent state. Inconsistency means inclarity, no clarity. So, data redundancy leads inconsistency. It is possible that the data may not be in consistent state. Why? Because duplication of data occurs inconsistency. So, It is another drawback in file-based system. Difficulty in accessing data. Accessing data is not convenient and efficient in file processing system. The data is available in different files. So accessing the data is very difficult. Why? Because data is available in different files. So this is another drawback. Next one is limited data sharing. Limited data sharing. Data are scattered in various files. Also, different files may have different formats. And these files may be stored in different folders, maybe of different departments. See, for example, a college database. Consider a college database. In college, there are so many departments. So, in so many departments, there are different data available in different departments. So, data are scattered in various files. Different files may have different formats, and these files may be stored in different folders, maybe of different departments. For example, different format means various departments have various formats. For example, roll number, name of the student, address, mobile number. Consider these are the fields available in the different files. One department enter the data. Name of the student is, surname is first, the remaining name is last. Another department, surname is last, remaining name is in first. So, last name, first name is in different formats. Whereas we are going to share the data, a problem will be occur. In addition to that, limited sharing of data is limited. Next, integrity problems. Data integrity means that the data contained in the database in both correct and consistent. For this purpose, the data stored in database must satisfy correct and constraints. Integrity problems. Data integrity means that the data contained in the database in both correct and consistent. Data must be in correct format and it must be consistent. It must be consistent. That also problem arises in file-based system. Atomicity problems. Any operation on database must be atomic. Any operation on database must be atomic. This means it must happen in its entirely or not at all. Atomicity problems. Any operation on database must be atomic. Atomic means simple. Next one is concurrent access anomalies. Multiple users are allowed to access data simultaneously. This is for the sake of better performance and faster response. Concurrency access anomalies means multiple users are allowed to access data simultaneously. This improves the performance of accessing the data. Concurrent access improves the performance of the accessing of the data. Next one is security problems. Database should be accessible to users in limited way. Each user should be allowed to access data concerning his requirements only. So, security problems arises in the way of we are maintaining the data in different files, different locations. So, whereas the data is available in different areas, different files, security must provide for all the files. it is somewhat difficult for users. It is somewhat difficult for users. Other disadvantages or drawbacks are the file-based system is limited to a small size and cannot store large amounts of data. File-based system stores only limited amount of data. It doesn't store large amounts of data. This system is relatively uncomplicated, but this means it cannot support complicated queries and data recovery, etc. There may be redundant data in the file-based system as it does not have a complex mechanism to get rid of it. The data is not very secure in a file-based system and may be corrupted or destroyed. The data is not very secure in a file-based system and may be corrupted or destroyed. It is very difficult to protect a file under the file system. The protection of file system is very difficult. In file system cannot efficiently store and retrieve the data. In file-based system cannot efficiently store the data and retrieve the data also. The data files in the file-based system may be stored across multiple locations. Consequently, it is difficult to share the data easily with multiple users. In the file-based system, concurrent access has many problems like redirecting the file while other deleting some information or updating some information. Repeat, in file system, concurrent access has many problems. That means multiple accessing has many problems like redirecting the file while other deleting some information or updating some information. The advantages of file-based system. The file-based system is not complicated and is simpler to use because of the simple usage. This system is quite inexpensive. Because of the file-based system is simple and cheap. It is normally suitable for home users and owners of small business. The file-based system is used by smaller organizations or individual users. It stores comparatively lesser amount of data. The data can be accessed faster and more efficiently. The functionalities of file-based system. A file-based system helps in basic data management for any user. A file-based system helps in basic data management for any user. The data stored in the file-based system should remain consistent. Any transactions done in the file-based system should not alter the consistency property. The data stored in the file-based system should remain consistent. Any transactions done in the file-based system should not alter the consistency property. The file-based system should not allow any illegal or potentially hazardous operations to occur on the data. The file-based system should allow concurrent access by different processes and they should be carefully coordinated. This system should make sure that the data is uniformly structured and stored so it is easier to access. So it is easier to access. In another concept, in file-based system, one way to keep information on a computer is to store it in permanent files. In permanent files. This is the file-based system. This is about file-based system.